Well, the city has a responsibility to protect people and to protect our taxpayers.
Mayor Van Johnson says he has to be mindful of what Savannah's trees can mean, not only in terms of beauty, but liability. Since 2013, the city's been sued twice and paid out nearly $20 million, including a settlement for a woman who lost her leg after a tree fell in her car.
We have 85,000 trees here in Savannah, and so if we don't have some way to limit our exposure on the legal side, then we're going to have to start taking down some of these trees, because ultimately, that's 85,000 liabilities that are out there.
In the council's first workshop, they discussed trying to limit what the city would have to pay in a lawsuit settlement. Johnson favors a cap of $500,000. Some council members, however, raised concerns about whether that amount would be fair if a person were to be seriously hurt.
It's a very delicate balancing act, but this council was elected because we spoke up for the citizens, recognizing that our citizens are the primary civic stakeholders. Now, we do have responsibility to this city, and we're taking that very seriously, so I think we're looking at options.
First District Alderman Bernetta Lanier thinks the cap should maybe be higher.
I think it's kind of a false choice between trees or people. You'll always choose the individual and making people whole, but this gives the city more flexibility moving forward. 4th
District Alderman Nick Palumbo, however, says they've already discussed waiving the cap if the city feels it should pay more.
So this is more about being a good financial steward of your tax dollars and trying to protect this historic tree canopy that we love in the Forest City.